The 6th Gen Maxima came out in 2004 and it didn't have a lot of features that you see in cars today. I'm going to be installing a 10-inch touchscreen stereo, and that will allow me to have things like Google Maps, Bluetooth. I'll even be able to connect a backup camera. The first step is just taking everything apart. I'm going to use a doubled-in frame to mount the 10-inch screen inside the frame, and then that frame I'm going to mount it in the center console. This is the doubled-in frame that I'll be using to hold the aftermarket radio in place. You can find it on Amazon or eBay. I put the link in the description for the one that I'm using. I was able to find a aftermarket bezel that has the cutout for the doubled in. I'm actually going to be putting the AC unit down there, and then I'll have my 10-inch screen above the normal AC controls and radio controls. Since I'm using an aftermarket radio, I won't be able to use the Maxima controls that are there for the radio, but the AC unit itself will still work. You will have to bend the brackets in order to get the doubled-in frame to sit flush in between the brackets. You'll just have to use a nut and bolt combination to get the frame to stay in place. And this is everything installed. Like I mentioned, it's a big upgrade. You'll have GPS, you'll have maps, Bluetooth, you can connect cameras, and if you like to watch movies in your car, that's also a plus too. Let me know what you think in the comments below.